Hey everyone, welcome to RNS Life After 55. I'm so excited. Remember, if you watched the first Temu video that I did for the cargo trailer conversion things, excuse me, I told you I had a second order that had not made it here yet. I thought the package would be bigger than this because I ordered a lot of stuff. So we'll see, I guess, what we have. But anyways, let me get this open. I've been waiting for 4 days to open this package. I haven't had time to record it, and I didn't want to open it until I could open it with you guys. So I don't even remember what I bought, and I forgot to look up the prices before I turned the video on. So I'm going to try to post the prices somewhere on the video, so you guys will know. Okay, so, this stuff is small. This, let me take it out of the package. I believe this is like you hook it to the inside of your cabinet, like under your sink or something. Yeah, you can hook it onto your cabinet, and then you can hang your towels or whatever you need to hang inside of the cabinet. So I got that. So, and it's it's medium heavy. It's not as lightweight as probably the price would indicate it would be. It's actually pretty strong. It also seems to be just one piece, so there's no piece there that can break off. So maybe these little ends here screw off, but yeah. So there's that. And again, I'll post some pricing for you guys. Okay, this was a bad deal because I think I paid over $1 for this, and this looks like it's maybe worth 10 cents. So let me open it. Okay, I should have grabbed some scissors. Oh, see, it already broke. I may let Temu, I may see how good they warranty their stuff, and I'll contact them maybe on this one and tell them that this is a no-go. It's already broken. It's a brush to put barbecue sauce on stuff, and I wanted something like that in the trailer. But yeah, this is garbage. It's garbage. Okay. And I'll check on that, and then I'll try to maybe post in the description later and let you guys know what I found out or what they did. Let's see if they do stand behind their. They say that everything is returnable or whatever. I'm not gonna return that, but I'll let them know, and we'll see what they do. Okay, this item. Let me start throwing my trash on the floor for now. This item is it's a duster, and I got that for the trailer just to kind of dust things off up high. And it's not a Walmart duster, but it is small. Might hang on this little thing right here, maybe inside the cabinet. But anyways, and it seems to bend. I don't know how many times you could bend that before it would break, but it does bend. So yeah, I mean, it's microfiber towel. I think it'll be okay for the trailer. That's not too bad. Again, I don't remember what I paid for it. Okay, and I got a lot of decorative stuff this time, which is what I'm really excited to get into. Okay, let me see if I can get this one opened. I think I got 2 of these metal things, or at least they're supposed to be metal. And it came wrapped, and it's on a piece of cardboard, and it might be easier to see it on the cardboard. It's a little metal hanging thing. I'm gonna put this in there right above our dining room table, because I'm a huge coffee person. I get teased about my coffee, so I thought this would be fun. Okay, the tape they have this stuck on here with may be a problem getting off. It's leaving residue, so I'll probably have to get some alcohol to get that off. But yeah, there it is. It's very flimsy, but it's just a wall decorative piece, and it is going in a cargo trailer. So, you know, for that, it's very lightweight, and it is cute, and it seems to be well painted. I don't see any scratches on it or anything like that. So that was one. Let's see what we have next. I don't know what I got these for. They're probably a lot smaller than, again, I probably forgot to look at the size. I don't remember ordering anything this small. Yeah, they're boxes, but I don't think I would have ordered boxes as small. These might make good peel boxes. They're not even sandwich size. They're very tiny. I have 2 of those. I'll have to look at my order to try to remember what I even got those for. Probably some organization in the trailer, but that's not going to work for much that I need. Oh, goodness gracious. There's another one of them. Okay, I ordered 4 of them. I don't know what I got. I think I probably didn't look at the size of those. Okay, and now we have a canvas picture, and it comes in a really nice tube. Has a little cap at both ends. And let's see what this picture looks like. Okay, I'm really liking this. I'm going to have to find a frame for it, or just put it, you know, maybe put Velcro on the back of it and stick it to the wall like it is, because I think that would work. It is a, they call it a canvas. It's like a thick plastic, maybe, I think it's even probably maybe the thickness of like a shower curtain. That's kind of what it reminds me of. But it's just a cute little, it's hard for me to unroll it so you can see it all. But it's a cute little picture, and it is the size that the description said it would be. So I think that was probably, again, I don't remember what I paid for this stuff, so I'll have to check the pricing to know if it was a good deal. Maybe I'll put a smiley face or a frowny face if I think that it was worth the price I paid for it whenever I posted on this video. Okay, these I was excited to get too, and this doesn't look like it might not be too bad. These are, you know, your storage cubes that we put in our trailers, which I bought a couple the last time too. These, I believe, are supposed to be bigger than the last ones that I bought, and they are bigger, much bigger. So, let me get it all, corner out here. Get it all out here. Okay. Yeah, I like that. And the only bad thing about it is the top is does have a wire around the top of it. So you're not going to be able to like really squish it. You could squish it a little bit, but not much. So, and it has a couple little handles on it. And, I mean, it's probably the same fabric. Let's, you guys scoot over, baby. It's probably the same fabric that you find at Walmart. You know, that the packing cubes are made out of at Walmart. So, yeah. So that's not too bad. And I have a couple of those. Set those over there. All right, next. Okay. Oh, it's my other coffee. That's the second coffee that I'm going to put with the other one. I'm showing you on the box, on the cardboard, because I think you can see it better on the cardboard than you can if I take it off the cardboard. So I'll leave it on the cardboard. But I will take it on the plastic. It's probably glaring. Okay. All right. So there's that. And again, it's exactly painted like the other one. So there's not any scratches. It's well painted. And this really isn't bad. I mean, I'm going to put the price, and I'll let you know if I think it was worth the price that I paid for it. I'll either put a happy face or a frowny face, or I'll try to put thumbs up, something, so you guys will know if I think I got a good deal on it. But yeah, so I like that. And it's probably, I think it's about the size I was thinking it would be. Okay, I did buy one personal item, so shoot me. But aren't they cute? They're shoes. Aren't they cute? Hang on, let me see if they're true to size. I'll let you guys know, because I don't have my shoes on right now. The little sandals. Okay, I got an 8.5, and I wear an 8 to 8.5, and these are a little small. I'll probably have to give them to my daughter-in-law. The length part is small. Let me see if they sent me the right size. It doesn't say. They're in European sizing, so it's a size 40, and I don't know what size I wear in European size. Okay, the length is small, but this part here, I have a skinny foot anyways, and this part here is way too big. So, probably give these to my daughter-in-law though, because she wears about a half size smaller than I do, and that's about how much too small these are. So she'll be happy she got some new shoes. And I think I paid $10 for these, so I'm not real heartbroken. And they're light, but they do have a little bit of a heel, which I liked. So, okay, that's my one. I told you guys it was all for the trailer. I guess that's kind of for the trailer, right? I mean, if you go camping or, you know. Okay, this is what we have. Another one of those junky brushes. I'll throw them in the trash. Okay, it looks like I have one more. Oh, this is another one I was really looking forward to seeing. Okay, that's our last item. You guys might like this too. Well, I guess we'll either like it or we'll hate it. Let's see. I'm not feeling like I got a good deal this time around. I mean, my last order, I really felt like I did good. This order, I feel like I got less stuff for almost twice the money. So, okay. Okay, this is pretty though. I really like this. This is a set of rugs that I bought for the trailer. And I got this one maybe to put in front of the sink. Can you guys see me? And it's really pretty color. Kind of green and yellow like what I'm doing the trailer in. And then there's the back of the rug. You know, it's not as heavy of a rug as like I buy from Amazon or from Walmart. I don't think it's going to last very long, but I think I paid $15 for both of these pieces, and here's the other one that goes with it. So I might put one of these in front of the kitchen sink and one over by where the stove will be. Not the stove, but the induction stove. So, yeah. So that's the other one. Okay, that's it. I wanted to wait and open this with you guys, so I've held on to it for 4 days. And it's been opened. We got it filmed, so you guys got to open it with me. And again, I'm going to post the prices on here, and I'll let you guys know what I thought, if it was a good deal or a bad deal. So with Temu, my take on that, I think if you're careful, you can find really good deals. I definitely would read all the reviews, and I did read the reviews on most all these items. I don't know if I did on the rug. I'm kind of curious to go back and read the reviews on the rug, because I think other people would have also said they were a little thin. But for the trailer, they're probably okay. They'll probably, you know, I can probably use them 6 months to a year before they probably will just be junk. But I think I paid $15 for both of them, somewhere in that neighborhood, I'm guessing right now. So if you see a number up here, that number is going to be accurate for what I'm saying. I'm not sure. Okay guys, I really appreciate you watching with me today. It's been fun. I'm going to probably be doing some reviews pretty soon too. A couple of them are going to be on big ticket items too. I have a Blue Eddy that I bought last year that I was having problems with. I think I figured the problem out on my own, But meanwhile, I did send the company an email, so I'm just kind of curious now to see if they respond right away, if they respond at all, what they say, how willing they are to help me fix my problem. And I've got it charging again. It wasn't wanting to charge, so I'm thinking about doing a review on that, but I want to wait and see how the company responds to my issue that I was having with it. And then we're having an issue with our Cinville mini split. So again, I contacted the company because we have a 10-year warranty on that, and we've had it for 4 years. So I'm gonna find out how they respond to that, and kind of go from there. But I'm gonna try to do a few product reviews before you guys spend money on big ticket items. Okay, again, thanks for joining. If you like this video or you want to see more videos like this one or anything to do with cargo trailers, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.